In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. This process is super simple and will help you organize your ideas, tasks, and upcoming work all in one clean, tidy space. Plus, we're going to use a ready-made template, so you won't have to build anything from scratch. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video to stay updated on more ClickUp and productivity tutorials that can help streamline your workflow. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Just enter your workspace credentials as you normally would. Once you're inside ClickUp, you should see a left sidebar. This is your navigation hub. Now, click on the option to create a new space. This is where your backlog is going to live, so it's a crucial step. When you're prompted to name this new space, go ahead and type in backlog. Naming it clearly is essential because it'll help you identify it later, especially if you're managing multiple projects or workflows. After you've named the space, continue through the setup process until you reach the option to use templates. This step is perfect for those who want to save time, as it allows you to leverage ClickUp's existing resources instead of building everything manually. In the template section, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in backlog. This will bring up a list of all available backlog templates that ClickUp provides. Browse through the options displayed. Each template will come with its unique structure and organization, so look for one that resonates with your needs. Once you find a template that looks like a good fit, click on it to preview the structure and details. If it looks good to you, you're nearly there. Just click the button that says Use Template. ClickUp will then prompt you to select a location where you want this template to reside. Choose the space or folder where your backlog should be created. Once you've made that selection, finalize it by clicking on Use Template, again to confirm your choice. And just like that, ClickUp will automatically create your backlog with predefined lists, statuses, and workflows tailored to help you manage your tasks effectively. Isn't that great? Now that your backlog is set up, it's time to get creative. You can start adding tasks that you want to store in your new backlog. Think of it as a digital box, where you can toss all your ideas and upcoming work without needing to compartmentalize them just yet. As you add tasks, remember to prioritize them. This step is crucial in ensuring that your work flows smoothly later on. You may want to customize your backlog even further to match the way you or your team works. ClickUp offers a myriad of customization options that can help tailor your backlog to your specific needs. You can adjust the statuses, add due dates, assign tasks to team members, and much more, allowing it to fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a backlog in ClickUp using a template. This organized space will be invaluable in helping you manage your ideas and work as they come. So go ahead and start populating it with all those tasks and projects you've been keeping on the back burner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful ClickUp and productivity tips in the future. Happy organizing!